Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Janaea, also known as Coilycurlycherie. Thanks for tuning in, and today is everything holiday season hairstyles. You hear me? Listen, it is the holidays, and the last thing that we want to worry about is trying to figure out what to do with our hair. We want to achieve those real quick hairstyles but make it look cute. And so today I'm going to be doing this really cute one-day flexi rod set for you all on stretched hair. So without further ado, let's get into this holiday style. So today I'm going to be using the Long and Lux pomegranate and passion fruit line by As I Am, and this is their curling enhancing smoothie.